Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger not sending messages. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your browser and search for speed test. So make sure that you have a good internet speed. So you can use this website to check your internet connection speed. So this is the first step. The second step, you simply need to type on Google is Messenger down, and you need to open the first website, scroll down, and here you can see the report of the last 24 hours. If you see a major spike, so it means that Messenger servers are currently down and you need to wait for few hours so that Messenger team will fix that issue. After that, you need to go into the settings of your smartphone, go into the app management, go into the app list and search for the Messenger and click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to open Play Store and reinstall the Messenger application after deleting from here. So once first you simply need to uninstall and then you need to reinstall again and log in into your account and your issue will be solved. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.